No creo, pero es que viene para el final y eso.
Falta. Okay.
You want to walk some more? Where's your cousin?
I don't know. Get the horses and he says that we still have things to. Oh, give me that.
Put the keys in your
It's
pocket.
still early.
Yeah.
It finished when it gets dark.
Ah,
There's still
okay.
more coming.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Where you coming from?
Tell
Taylor?
Yeah,
Down the block?
yeah.
Tell him the truth.
I
That's
know
okay.
he's not from there.
It's coming
Listen.
from Florida.
Oh,
But I'm
coming from
telling
New York.
him.
Oh, New York?
I'm telling him to come from here gratis. Not
Me
you.
too. I said the same shit.
What?
Yeah, I'm telling him
I grew
why.
up in La Ceiba, but I was born in Cortez, which is true.
Yeah, I'm telling him why. See. See the horse.
Gracias, gracias.
Oh, see? That's punch puts you an angel, another angel.
Huh?
I met him yesterday.
You met him yesterday.
Yeah, like took him to see the parade.
Okay.
We're having fun.
I come every year.
Oh,
Really?
I stay here for like 2-3 weeks.
look for the picture.
¿Cuánto cuesta?
10.
10 lamps.
50 cents, maybe.